Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So like I told you guys a couple of videos ago, that I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the PTMS or the tire pressure sensor battery. So here is that's what we're going to do today. So you're going to need some normal tool that you have, and also you need a silicon. Okay, let's get started. Replacing the battery is not that difficult. All you need to do is, so this is the original Toyota sensor. It's the TRW. So what do you do is in the back here, and also you need this battery right here. I will have this on the link on my video description, so you can buy it. It's a CR2450HR. This is what you need right here. And for the sensor, all you need to do is you have to pry this open. Just use a knife, pry it open. I already did half of it, so but if you want to pry this out, just take time, okay? So be patient with it, take time, and it should able to come out. There you go. So basically what they do is they glue this thing together. So as you can see, they glue it. So it takes time to just pry out all the glue, but you should be fine. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to remove this battery right here. So just go ahead and pry the top post off. Just go one by one, slowly, and you should be able to pry it out. There you go, I got one side out. Do the same thing with the other side. There you go. Take it out. So let's use the voltmeter to measure this. so we can see how good the battery still lasts. Let me see, I got it right here. Okay, let's measure this. So the top one is 2.84. So this is my car is 2012, so almost 12 years already. And it still have power on it. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to remove this. Cut this off because you really don't need it anymore. And then the bottom too. There you go. So as you can see, it's clean. This one is positive and this one's negative. So you open this up. So the top one's positive. So basically it's going like this, as you can see. And so it should be good. So that's exactly what you want to do right there. Just like that. So now take out your soldering gun. Let me turn on mine. Let it heat up a little bit. And that's how you solder it in. So for me, if I want to keep this closed, then Okay, I want to keep this easy to solder and keep this bad boy together. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna just solder in the joint and you should be good. And don't judge me on my soldering skill because it's not that good. But we can do this. It's pretty easy. I got one in. Let me see. Let me get the other one in. All right. So that's it. As you can see, let me put it a little closer. So as you can see, it's pretty good. Okay. So the next thing you want, the next thing you want to do is, it's all connected just the way I want it. Everything look good. Now what you want to do is you want to measure the voltage and see if it's really connected or not. All right, so positive and negative. As you can see, I'm not sure you can see it, but see right here. .29, okay, 3.29. There you go. So we are good. So we are good. Now basically you are done. Nice and clean. Clean this off. So basically what you want to do is you just you're gonna close down like this, right? So what you want to do is you want to get your silicone. So get your silicone gun and spread it on here, okay? There you go. Don't worry about the mess. What you want to do is you want to spread it out so just cover everything. So this is the way the water don't get in. Like I said, don't worry about the mess. The important thing is you want to get a good thick layer of silicone in there. So it's seal the water from getting in. Now, if you want, you can put this cover on. Put this cover on like that. Put the cover back. And then clean up the silicone around it. Get yourself a towel and just clean up nice and neat. Nice and neat. Now, if you want, get this to hold it down. There you go. Hold it down nice and neat, right? So you got wipe out all the silicone. Perfect. So you can wipe everything out. Everything out. Now it looks pretty good. Everything is in place just the way you want it. Nice and clean. Alright. So basically you are done. So all you need to do right now is just take this and put it in the sun. So just leave it in the sun and let it dry for a couple of hours. So it's perfectly, completely dry or cure the silicone. And then you are done. So now you can take this and put it in, install in your tire. And then program into the car ECU or the car computer. And basically you're done. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. So if you want to know how to install the tire pressure into your tire, I have a video for it. So I'll put it on the link so you can watch out, and so you can watch and do it yourself. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.